3 episodes back, a login finally matched and the game let you in. Something inside Python said yes. Today you meet that yes. Ask Python a question, any question at all, and the answer is always one of exactly 2 words, true or false. That is the whole set. Is 12 more than 8? The answer is true. Is this name the same as that one? The answer is false. Every question goes through the same gate and comes out one of 2 ways. There is no third lamp, but you have to ask properly. 1 equals sign does not ask anything. 1 equals puts a value in a box the way it has since episode 1. To ask, you use 2. 2 equals signs is the question mark, and true and false are real values, just like strings and numbers. So you can catch one in a box. Big room equals guests more than 8. Now that box is holding the answer. 1 equals puts and 2 equals asks. Every answer is true or false. Let's write it. Line 1 brings in the guest count from last episode, 12. Line 2 asks whether that is more than 8 and prints the answer. Line 3 asks whether it is exactly 12. And line 4 compares 2 names that look almost the same. Run it and the answers appear. True means more than 8, so book the big room. The next answer is true because the number is exactly 12. The final answer is false. Lowercase Rohan is not capital Rohan. Capital letters still count. Your turn. Type those 4 lines in any editor, save it as check.py and run it. Then change 12 to 9 and run it again. Watch the second answer flip to false, all on its own. Next episode, list one name for a whole row of things. See you there.